Today I am reviewing the Purple Panda wired lavalier microphone. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are a content creator, a vlogger, an adventurous motovlogger, or simply someone trying to make high-quality social media videos, you already know that audio can make or break your content. You can have the most beautiful, crystal-clear 4K video footage in the world, but if your audio is hollow, echoey, muffled, or drowned out by wind noise, your viewers are going to click away within seconds. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at an absolute lifesaver for your audio setup, the Purple Panda wired lavalier microphone. This omnidirectional lapel mic is a massive favorite in the creative community, famous for delivering incredibly crisp, broadcast-quality audio across a mind-boggling array of devices. Whether you are flying down a highway recording a motorcycle voiceover, shooting quick vertical shorts in your studio, or vlogging your travels on busy city streets, this tiny microphone is engineered to solve your audio headaches instantly. Let's break down exactly why the Purple Panda lapel mic deserves a permanent spot in your camera bag. The foundation of this microphone's exceptional performance lies in its advanced omnidirectional pickup pattern. Unlike directional microphones that require you to speak directly into the capsule, an omnidirectional lavalier captures sound with perfect uniformity from all 360 degrees. This means that even if you clip the microphone slightly off-center, or if your head turns away from the camera while you are speaking, your voice remains perfectly balanced, rich, and consistent. It completely eliminates the frustrating volume drops and tone changes that plague inferior microphones. This uncompromised pickup fidelity is precisely why it has become the absolute go-to choice for motovloggers who need to mount a mic inside a motorcycle helmet, as well as digital creators who need a reliable voiceover tool that captures the natural warmth of their speaking voice. Where the Purple Panda truly dominates the competition is its near-universal compatibility ecosystem. Finding a microphone that easily transitions between different camera platforms can be a massive challenge, but this kit is built to connect to almost anything. It works beautifully with action cameras like the GoPro, DJI Osmo, and Insta360, making it an incredible asset for extreme sports and outdoor filmmaking. Beyond action gear, it is fully compatible with standard DSLR and mirrorless cameras, iPads, Android devices, and modern smartphones. It is important to note that depending on your specific device, you may need an authentic brand adapter, such as a Lightning or Type-C to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter. But once that connection is made, the microphone integrates seamlessly with your hardware to deliver premium sound instantly. Another massive advantage for fast-paced content creators is that this microphone is entirely plug-and-play and content-ready right out of the box. Wireless microphone systems are incredibly popular right now, but they come with severe structural risks. You have to constantly worry about charging batteries, managing wireless interference, and dealing with annoying pairing delays that can ruin a spontaneous recording moment. With the Purple Panda wired system, those worries are completely eradicated. There are no batteries to charge, no wireless sync dropouts, and absolutely zero latency delays. You simply plug it into your recording device, clip it to your shirt, and press record. This makes it the ultimate, hassle-free tool for shooting rapid-fire social media content, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, TikToks, and professional live streams on the fly. Furthermore, this microphone is masterfully designed for active travel and rugged outdoor vlogging. The entire setup is incredibly lightweight, compact, and effortlessly easy to pack into a tiny pocket in your backpack. When you are shooting outdoors, environment noise like wind can quickly destroy your audio track. However, because this is an industrial-strength kit, you can easily pair the capsule with an included high-performance windscreen or fuzzy dead cat to actively slice through wind interference, leaving your voice clean and completely isolated from background noise. Trusted by hundreds of thousands of creators worldwide, Purple Panda has been delivering premium audio gear since 2016. They fully stand behind their engineering, backing this wired lavalier microphone with a solid 1-year manufacturer warranty and a highly responsive customer support team dedicated to helping you dial in the absolute best settings for your specific camera. When you combine its pristine omnidirectional sound capture, its effortless battery-free dependability, and its massive multi-device versatility, It is easily one of the most cost-effective audio upgrades you can make. The Purple Panda wired lavalier microphone easily earns a highly enthusiastic, top-tier 5-star recommendation.